Hi there folks, the weather's nice and it's coming into summer, so some of you might be planning your summer tours and thinking of taking your bike abroad, and what I wanted to do was share with you some of my experience of using bags in these panniers. So the panniers on the R1250 GSA, these aluminium ones, they're not the same size. So this one is 45 by 39 by 28. So let me think, it's 45 long, 39 tall and 28 wide. And on the other side where the exhaust is, it's actually smaller because it curves in to go around the exhaust, and at its narrowest it's 20 centimeter. It kind of flares out at the top as it goes around the exhaust. So let me share with you some of the bags that I've used when I've done my tours down to Spain. Okay, so first up is your bag for life, which you can get for a couple of quid or a couple of euros from any supermarket. They're fine, okay, they kind of fit. They're a little bit too tall. Obviously they don't have a zip on the top, and they might not be going with the kind of vibe that you're looking for if you're traveling through Europe on your bike, but they do perfectly well. The best ones that you can get are have a zip across the top. Sometimes you'll see them at duty free, and they're the ones they're the kind of premium ones, but these work absolutely fine. Only problem is they have a tendency to kind of topple over if they're not packed well, but certainly when I was kind of starting out traveling, I was definitely using one of these. Okay, so next up are these bags that you can get from Wunderlich, or depending upon your budget, you can get them from AliExpress. These are the AliExpress ones, and these are custom designed to go into these panniers. They're made out of like nylon. The better ones have got waterproof nylon. These are just cheap ones really. They kind of fit perfectly. They're a little bit taller to take in account of the domed lid. They have got a lid on the top, so they unzip on the top like that, but also if you turn them sideways, they've got a zip so that you can open them up more like a suitcase. These ones are a bit flimsy. I've got to think that the Wunderlich ones are good. This one has a side pocket so you could put a laptop in there or documents in there, and it's got a carrier strap as well. These are good for when you're on the ferry, you know, and really what you need when you go on a ferry, one of that, you know, that long one from Plymouth down to Santander, is you need a bag that you can take out that's got your clothes in that you'll need on the ferry. So what I tend to do is pack one with kind of permanent tour clothes, and the other one on the other side is like a change of clothes, trainers and things like that you can pull out quite quickly. These don't cost much. These must cost, well, if you get them off AliExpress, I can't think that they're more than 20 quid. If you get them from Wunderlich or somebody like that, they're going to be 60. They do come up on the BMW GSA Forum. If you're not a member of that BMW GSA Forum, you should join. It's got loads of information on there, and the buy and sell page, I've bought loads of stuff off that because everyone's really nice. They tend to be quite well funded. You're not dealing with eBay, you know, so there's no kind of scammers on there. And I've got GoPros and boots and clothes and all sorts of bits and pieces, so that's a call out for that. Right, so that's option 2. Right, so option 3 came about because we travelled a lot last year. Me and my missus, we did a load of like weekends away with Easyjet. The Easyjet hand luggage restrictions are 45 by 36 by 20. Now if you remember the dimensions that I said at the start, actually they're almost the same size as a pannier. So what you can get are bags that are designed specifically for that Easyjet hand luggage. And what you can come up with is something like this, okay? And I think these are great. Let me see. These are more like a proper backpack, okay? So they've got straps, they've got multitudes of pockets. I use this when I'm traveling with business. And if you pack it carefully, you know, you can get a couple of nights, and I put a pair of trainers in, a pair of trousers, an extra shirt, that kind of thing. And they've got like compression straps on the side, so actually you can put stuff in it and then strap it down really tight so that it could go into this side. Now I actually went up to Sheffield last weekend to see my lad up there, and this works really well. And I think what I found before is when you're traveling with one of these bags, these kind of custom bags, is that you can only really use it for the bike. You're not going to travel on it. Like if you go somewhere and then you've got to go out for the day, or you've got to fly back or something like that, you're not really going to use this. This on the other hand is, you know, you could park the bike up and pull this out and go and have a day out, you know, putting stuff in your backpack. And now this isn't a paid for promotion, but if you go and search for Easyjet hand luggage and get some of this soft luggage, it fits perfectly into here. And there's room on top as well to put some other stuff. Right, so if you're travelling this summer, travel safely. I hope you have a good time. The weather's great today, but I hope that you travel safely wherever you go, and the best from me. See you soon.